It's Thursday, March 31st. That's the day before April Fools. So don't get punked, even though a lot of the headlines that we see these days sound like an April Fool's joke.
April Fools. Boy, this week has been another week of, I would say, mixed messaging, good messaging, confusing messaging, stock market up, stock market down. It is what it is at this point in time. The market's being pulled and tugged by different things and is working its way through still the Ukraine crisis and inflation and what will the Fed do.
Well, and the 2 and the 10 Treasury, which we watch very closely because in situations where recession is mentioned, when you see the 2-year invert the 10-year, meaning you're getting a higher yield on a 2-year Treasury versus a 10-year Treasury, that is usually problematic for those that are looking for recession. And usually that means it's 12 to 24 months away. And I think that pretty much fits into what we think is the time horizon.
And so let's debunk something. It's not something to be afraid of. It's not something to worry about. We're ahead of the curve on this. Our portfolios in the first 3 months of this year have reacted just as we expect them to do when we took risks off the table. We're concentrating on what we do now going forward, how to create opportunity, but how to manage risk. So even within a recession that it might be 12 months out, there will be opportunities and there will really be buying opportunities. So we're beginning and continuing to put together ideas and plans of how we navigate through this.
So just keep tuned in because we'll, as we have done a lot of in the first 3 months, and that is making a lot of changes in portfolios. We'll continue to make adjustments as necessary. We've made, I think, some really good moves, moving away from growth as much as we were into value. We had a nice trade on energy that worked in our favor from a timing standpoint. But as you know about us, we're not market timers. We just we see things and try to react in order to take advantage of what we're being given.
Always remember, it is your money.
And your money matters.
We'll see you next week.